How to choose your goals. Maybe you want a lot of things and you are interested in many things. But how to choose and reach the most important ones? Let me introduce a powerful system for you. 10-stage targeting system. The 10-step system that you will learn is the most effective goal-setting progress ever created. This progress has been used by thousands of men and women, and they will make some dramatic change in their lives. This progress is also being used by companies to reorder themselves to drive sales and profitability. It is a simple progress, but amazingly effective, so it even surprises even the most skeptical people. The purpose of this system is to achieve your goals as quickly as possible. Your thoughts make the world in front of you. You become what you think about, and you do that. If you think about something with great clarity and intensity, you make it faster and more predictable than any other method. And this progress happens very soon. The path that leads you to your desires. The value of a man is not in what he learns, but in what he longs for. Gibran Khalil Gibran. I want you to hold the file right now and take the pen and paper and be ready, okay? Let's start it.